Hey, so today I've been driving doing DoorDash for a few days. Decided to make a video on it because why not? And I did a little time lapse, threw in a little footage, just kind of behind the scenes of how people are really making a living out here during this whole coronavirus pandemic. So yeah, enjoy.
If you're working from home, keep feeling good with 97.9 The Beat.
Can't play this song. It's a little inappropriate. I can't work. I really hope y'all don't copyright this. I'm just listening to the radio, man. Another day bleeds, it's a nightfall. Just doing a little door dashing. Put a little time lapse on it. Man, I need to get a order already. Accept it, and looks like we are going to McDonald's. Almost got hit. Jeez. Alright. Oh, yep, thanks. I don't even think I need to talk to them. Should go straight to the second window because of all this coronavirus. Usually I just tell them their name, but for the sake of YouTube, I'm gonna use a pickup ID. Yeah, I have the pickup ID. It's 656121.
Yeah, it's him right now.
Okay, appreciate it. Ooh, we got a little order here, don't we? Okay, so what's kind of sad about this whole coronavirus thing is that they seal the bags with stickers. I think it says it on here, maybe not. Yeah, it says it, number 4, please do not break open the sticker seal, so you can't really see what's in the bags unless you use your flashlight, look through the cracks, which we might have to do. So yeah, I will be back when we get this order. I really should be wearing gloves and a mask, but I don't have any on me. I've already burned through all of those. Just waiting on this order, I know. Come on.
All right, my man. Food thing's gonna be everything, all right?
I appreciate it.
See, have a good one.
You too. Look at these. See the stickers I was talking about? They're right here. Alright. Let's get back to driving. Alright, so I just looked and we got everything in here. Let's head to this house. Do a little time lapse real quick. I'm gonna try and see if I can get it to where I show you the house, but not really sure. Alright, we're gonna get out and deliver this real quick. Have a great night. Alright. Took him a little long enough. Alright, so now we're gonna slide after arrival. It was a well organized pickup. Was not short delivery, but you know, we're just gonna go ahead and say that because we're nice people. It was easy parking. I mean, yeah, I could park and, you know, record. Fast merchant, yeah, I mean, kind of. Easy drop off. Good order verification process. Friendly merchant. Alright, we're gonna slide after delivery. Got a total of 7. I mean, it's not too bad. But yeah, that's DoorDash delivery complete. So I will see y'all next time.